Hello students, today we are going to talk about a new topic. Find a HCF by using long division method. Okay, find the HCF by using long division method. It's a very easy method. When you find the HCF for a big number, it means biggest number, large number. This method is very useful to you. So listen carefully. First of all, I will tell you. I will take the two numbers, 144 and 216. Okay. So first, what I am going to do here, 216 is bigger than the 144. Okay. So 216 is the bigger than the 144. So now I will take 216 as a dividend, 144 as a divisor. Okay, that's the first rule. First you have to check which is the big number, which is the small number. You have to take big number as a dividend, the small number as a divisor. Do you understand what I am telling? When you have to find the HCF by using long division method, you have to see the given number, which is the bigger number, which is the small number. The bigger number as a dividend, the small number as a divisor. Okay. Then you have to divide. After division, you have to subtract. Okay. After subtraction, you will get some remainder. Okay. That remainder, again that remainder you have to take divisor. That which you have already taken divisor is called a dividend. Example. Now see, I will take 216 as a dividend. Okay. So 216 is the dividend. 144 is the divisor. Okay. Now you have to divide. How many times? How many 144 are there in 216? Only one time. Okay. So 144 is into 1 is equal to 144. Now I am going to subtract. This is a normal division. Okay. So what I will do after division, we have to subtract. So 6 minus 4, 2. So 1 minus 4, we can't subtract. So we have to borrow nearby number. So here 1, here 11. It becomes a number 11. So 11 minus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 7. 7 is the balance. Okay. So 72 is the remainder. Now you have to, what you will do, 144, now dividend. The remainder is divisor. Do you understand what I am telling? Before 216 is the dividend. Okay. 144 is the divisor. Now after this division, the 72 remainder. The remainder as a divisor, 144 as a dividend. Let me check. So 144, the remainder is 72. So now we have to divide. So how many 72s are there in 144? 2 times are there. Okay. So 272 into 272s are equal to 144. Now remainder 0. So 72 is the highest common factor. Okay. 72 is the highest common factor by using long division method. Okay. Hello students. Before we talk about find HCF by using long division method, before we talk 2-digit number, it means 2 numbers. Now we are going to discuss find the HCF by 3 numbers. Okay. So how to find? I will tell you orally. First you have to take any 2 number. Then you have to use our normal long division method. Okay. Which is big number you take as a dividend, which is small number you take as a divisor. Then you have to divide. After subtraction you get some remainder. That remainder you take as a divisor. So which already you take in divisor, now we have to take as a dividend. So you have to do division. Then after subtraction, then if you have remainder, you take as a divisor. Then after before which you take dividend, now divisor. So you have to do end of the when you get 0, you have to do until that. Then last which you got remainder. Okay, sorry, which you got which last divisor. before when you find the zero, remainder 0, in that time which was the divisor, that divisor you have to take and divide the third number. Okay, see, I will tell you one by one how to do. Just listen carefully. Now I will take 624 and 264, because this is a small number, is the biggest number. So this is as a dividend, this as a divisor. So let me see. So 624 divided by 264. Okay. So how many times we can divide? How many 264s are there in this 624? I will take 2 times. So 2 into 264. How? So 2 into 264. So 4 2s are, sorry, this time I will take this time. Okay, 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12, remainder 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 1 5. So 528. So 2 into 264 is equal to 528. Now after subtraction you will get a remainder. Okay, so 4 minus 8 we can't subtract, so I will borrow here nearby number 1. Now 14. So 14 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 6 is the remainder. So 1 minus 2 we can't subtract, so I will borrow nearby number. So 11. 11 minus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 9. 9 is the remainder. Now see, 96 is the small number, 264 is the big number. Now I will take 264 as a dividend, 96 as a divisor. Okay, let me take. So 264 divided by 96. Now how many times, how many 96 are there in 264? Example, I will take 4 times. 96 into 4. 6 4s are 24, remainder 2. 9 4s are 36. Plus 2, 38. No, we have to take 3 times. I will take 3 times. 96 into 3. 18, remainder 1. 28. Okay. So no, we can't take 288 also not. So we take 2 times. 96 into 2. 6 2s are 12, remainder 1. 18 plus 1, 19, 192. Okay. So 2 times. So 296 is equal to 192. So we have to subtract. So 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 9 we can't subtract. So we have to borrow nearby number 16. So 9 minus 16 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 7. So 72 is the remainder. Now you see, 72 as a remainder, 96 as a divisor, but compare them these two numbers. 72 is the small number, 96 is the big number. So now I will take 96 as a dividend, 72 as a divisor. Okay, so 96 divided by 72. I will drop this. Okay. Now, how many 72s are there in 96? Only 1. So 172 is equal to 72. If you subtract this, you get 4, 2. Okay. Now 24 is a small, 72 is a big number. So 72. Now we have to take dividend. 24 as a divisor. Okay. Again. So see here, here. So 72 divided by 24. Now how many 24s are there in 2, 24, 3? I will take 3. 24 into 3. 4 3s are 12, remainder 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Yes, 72. So 3 times. So 3 24s are 72. Now I got 0. So the last divisor is a 24. Listen carefully. The last divisor is a 24. Now I will take this divisor 24. I am going to divide by the third number 936. Okay. So I will divide that number. So 936, the third number, the final divisor, last which were in divisor, we will take the same divisor. Don't take this other divisor, only the last divisor. Okay. So I am going to divide by 24. So how many times we can divide? First I will take 2 digits. Okay. So 3 24s are 72. 3 24s are 72. I will subtract remainder 1, here 2. 21. So I will get down 6. Now how many times? Approximately I will check. 6 24 into 6. 6 4s are 24, remainder 2. 6 2s are 12 plus 2, 14. So 6 times not. We will take 7 times. So 24 into 7 or 8 times. We will take 8 times. Okay. So 8 4s are 32. Remainder 3. 8 2s are 16 plus 3, 19. 192. So we will take 9 times. So 24 into 9. 9 4s are 36. Remainder 3. 9 2s are 18 plus 3, 21. Okay. So how many 24s are there? 9 24s are there. So 9 24 is equal to 216. So 0. Now so 24 has a last divisor. So 24 has a HCF. 24 is the answer. I hope you understand.